the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.